right there, bro.
Look at haters.
That's all your categories.
Haters, that's what you want.
You say what, Track?
Go ahead now. Go ahead and sing. The fuck up. Go ahead and sing for us, man. Go ahead and sing like we did last time and shit.
Hey, Black Knight, sing for all the ladies up in Blog TV who ain't never heard you sing before.
They gonna look at my damn video.
Man, oh, man, you gonna miss out right there. How you talking about you want a record deal and you ain't trying to do what I
Sing,
do?
dude.
Don't do it, bro.
What you call it?
Who did that?
Blog TV, y'all want niggas to sing yes or no?
Blog TV, do y'all want him to sing yes or no?
I see one no.
It's a nigga saying no. Fuck them. Sing for the ladies.
That's who no. Oh, they niggas no.
That's my little cut.
Sing for the ladies.
See a lot of yeses, so yeah.
She's having the hell out of one.
Hey, Brooklyn, stop that shit. And haters, stop that.
Alright, so I'm about home that thing, you know. The most beautiful girl I ever seen. In fact, she became the girl of my dreams. Boy, yeah. What you say? I really, I got my headphones on. Let's just
why y'all do that? Hey, let that man sing.
You know what? Wait a minute, Black. Me and you need to have a sing-off right now, nigga.
Hell yeah.
But what you got, nigga? Ooh, yeah, yeah. Fuck that, nigga.
Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Hey, we're going to have a singing contest. I'm about to get it into.
Yeah, I'm like, you're trying to do it all.
All right, everybody got to pick a Michael Jackson song to sing. I'm going to sing.
You know what? I know what to sing. I'm going to sing It's Not Alone. Michael Jackson. Are you ready?
Which one?
People are not alone.
Okay, go.
All right. Another day has come. I'm so I'm done.
All right, my turn. Hey, I'm gonna let the room choose a song for me. What song y'all want me to sing? Come on, room.
Human nature, baby.
Okay. All right, I gotta do it from the beginning though. Okay. I need the instrumental and everything in my head. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Looking out into the nighttime. That's it. That's y'all get. I charge for this shit, y'all. I charge.
Hey, haters. Why do you wanna roast me?
Because your lips are ashy.
And your hands are pale.
But you look like a fat polar bear. Go.
And your face is Thriller. Woo!
Oh, okay. What do y'all think? Room? Are we getting down or what? We getting down? Hey, hold on, hey.
The night before Christmas?
Hey. Didn't nobody ask for no goddamn Tito backups?
I'm thinking you singing at Black Knight's his brain funeral.
Nah, this nigga right here.
Oh my goddamn brain.
Hold on. We over here singing Michael Jackson song. This nigga bust out with some old Negro spirituals. Oh, sweet Lord. This nigga over here picking cotton in his backyard. Oh, dang. God damn.
I can't tell you this sounds sexy, though.
That shit, that shit don't sound sexy.
Hold on. Shakur, when you ask that shit, you ask as if you're flirting with the niggas.
Hey, I said it.
No, you said it. No, Shakur, you said it. It sounds good, don't it?
You know it. I thought you only got to twist my words up like that.
You know it sounds
You said it, though, son.
Good. I never said fellas, though.
Hey, Marcel, Marcel. Hold on, Marcel, are you in here?
Yeah.
Nigga, you look like Manute Bowl with a goddamn with Grace Jones flat top, nigga.
Hey, yo, hey.
What up?
Yo, hey, you get shoes from the back of a Wendy's meat.
Oh, nigga. No, don't hang up. Don't hang up on her. Don't hang up on her. At least he's trying.
Get the fuck off with all that bullshit.
Nigga, until you get a record deal, you should be saying shit. Man, try to shut your bitch ass up. Oh, look, he getting that ass. Look, he gonna be on my ass. Look, he gonna be on my ass. He ain't gonna be about some silverback looking ass. Look, he gonna beat my ass and start singing. Shut your ass up.
Hey, hold up. Hey, this nigga just called Trag a urban silverback.
Hey, you just as excited. Oh, you bless your heart.
Yeah, bless my heart, nigga.
Hey, you know what? I'll beat your ass. You know that?
You a goddamn lie. Nigga, you couldn't see me, nigga, because I'm going to be up.
Fat Alpha. Get your nice ass out of here.
Take them goddamn stitches.
As soon as you take that little nasty ass fucking $3 wig off.
I think good to go. Nigga, you don't.
Hey, Trag.
What's up?
Hey, Trag, when we fight, I'm going to use boxing gloves, but you don't need none because your big fat ass hands already padded. Fuck you, nigga.
Hey, that's what's up there, man.
Haters, hold on. How haters gonna be up in here with us, but they gonna get on the blog and try to roast?
Because y'all was talking and shit, so I was like, fuck you.
Is this shirt?
Hold up. I remember your ass like talking the whole fucking way through. Nobody.
And I'm sitting here looking at her. This bitch got that big ass mole on her face. What the fuck is that? A door? Bitch got a doorbell by her face. What the fuck?
Hey, Blog TV room. Blog TV room. Is my shirt ugly? Give me a Y or an N, only one. Don't spam. Thank you, Brooklyn. One, just one.
Everybody here on this shirt.
That cheap ass t-shirt, nigga. Get a real t-shirt, nigga.
Nigga, hold on. You the only nigga I know got a pink white beater with a picture of a fish on the front. Fuck you. God damn it. Oh shit, Megaton is back.
On this t-shirt.
Hold on. I'm about to add Megaton. Hold the fuck on.
Damn, nigga, did your pussy get wet?
Look, hey, that nigga don't want to see Megaton. Look, that nigga got shook up. I said Megaton. He was like, huh? What? Who?
Hold on, I'll add him.
Add him, because I don't see him in my... Oh, there he is. You got him?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Nah, did you get him? What the fuck is it?
No, he's in there. He's in there already. But he ain't answered yet.
Oh, okay.
Brad, the business.
Hey, what's up? What's up, player? Look, Hater ain't getting on you. Said he ran you off.
Hey, Megaton. Megaton.
Hold on, man. That nigga got
I'm trying to mute that blog TV.
Okay, that nigga.
Yo, what up?
Wheelchair, man. Need to be chopped. Nigga out there heat all day.
Trag over there freebasing popsicles, nigga. Shut the fuck up.
Look, that gets bad as shit. I know his arms tired as a motherfucker. Rolling all day.
Your lips look like a frozen Polish sausage, Trag. I know you ain't talking.
That nigga was outside, got a little shirt and shit. Yo, how much your wheelchair cost, Mega?
As much as a bump of powdered sugar from your dope dealer, nigga.
God damn, you got an umbrella on your damn wheelchair for the heat?
Hey, Megaton.
Trag go outside, he sweat when he breathes and shit.
Hey, Megaton.
What's the business, Hater?
Hey, on the back of your wheelchair, do you have a pocket like they have in the back of the cabs to keep magazines?
Hey, do you got anti-lock brakes on your wheelchair, nigga? This nigga got an airbag on his wheelchair and shit.
Hey, Scotty,
Trag taking grape injection straight through his lip.